This is our group project. We divided the building into 3 themes. The first theme starts with street children. The second theme starts with refugees. The last one is old age homes. So the first theme, the street children, starts with the first building. This is the opening gate. So here we have most of the things the children need, which is a small building where they sleep, fun parks, gardens, ponds, rivers, basically everything which a street children needs. So there's this is the bridge which leads to a different bridge, which ultimately leads to a gate. So from this gate comes a refugee camp. This is where mostly the refugees from different parts of the world stay. This is the temple where the refugees usually pray. This is the cafeteria where all of the people come to eat. The last one is the old age home where old people stay. Even refugees, children sometimes go there just to get familiar with the old people. So this is more of a community than just a theme. This community which is divided into subgroups: street children, refugees, and old age people. So this is our group project.
Model of old age center. In our E model course, we have to design the model design of a level session of the old age group. Like this is the one of old age center located in our society. We can see here many small levels representing the old age group. This one is the building area of the whole center. Like every facility are provided there. Like there is garden, like cafeteria, service center, dining hall, TV room, library, etc. But here we can see some of the old age group are waiting in the front door of the old age center to waiting their children to wait their children and come back and take them to their home. Despite being many facilities provided, but they are lacking the love and affection from their children. So to provide the better love and affection, the children must be visited and time and again to ensure their parents are safe in the old age center.
Refugee, and this is a refugee camp which is located in eastern part of Nepal. This is the water tank where water is stored for the refugees, and this one is storeroom for the stuffs, and this is the refugee camp.
So this is my theme is street children. So this is a playground for street children. This is the main tower. This is the main office. And this is the building where the street children sleep at. This is the cafeteria. This is the main building where they do indoor activities. So this is mainly for street children who don't have homes. Basically this is for street children. So this is the best place if you come from the streets.
This is about refugee. This part indicates the place where wealthy people live. And this wealthy people live. This part indicates refugee family. They are refugee families, father, mother, and their children. This is the small house where they live, and they are always dreaming of a healthy lifestyle like the wealthy people. Children are lacking of education and better facilities. So to ensure their better quality of life, the social organization on the related sectors will focus on refugee problems and help them.